Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to manage colors of your console. In the beginning, from the homepage of the console, go to Settings. Now, go to Accessibility, Display and Sound, Color Correction, and now switch the button to enable Color Filter. Now you can change color filter between grayscale, red-green scale, green, red, blue, yellow. Those filters can help you if you've got this ability, which is shown on the right side from the filter. For example, Protanotopia, Deuteranotopia and Tritanopia. And that's basically it. In the end, you can adjust the intensity of the color scale. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.